Welcome back, dear learners, for one more interesting session on insert learning. So, let us explore more in insert learning to develop more creative and engaging content.
So dear learners, let us have a quick review of the features of insert learning. We've discussed how insert learning helps you to highlight the text, then how it is helpful for adding the sticky notes to your content. You can add sticky notes to the content, you can highlight the text based on your requirements, and then you can add videos or links to your content. You can definitely add so many things, links in the form of videos or e-content, and you can assign work to this to your class. Whatever lessons you have created, you can assign it to your students. Then you can ask questions in different formats, maybe multiple choice, maybe small answers, short answers, long answers, and all those things. You can have a discussion forum wherein your students may take part. You also can be the part of that discussion forum, and you can have brainstorming sessions as well with the help of this insert learning tools. The next question arises, how I can teach with this tool, how this tool is beneficial enough. So let me brief on the same. So insert learning helps in vocabulary building. वोकेबलरी बिल्डिंग से यहाँ हमारा ये आशय है कि जिस तरह से आप स्टूडेंट्स को टेक्स्ट हाईलाइट करके देते हैं, सो आप स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ वर्ड्स हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं, कुछ सेंटेंसेस को हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं जहां पे स्टूडेंट्स, इट हेल्प्स इन enhancing their vocabularies. The teachers can click on the vocabulary word, and we can even leave the definitions of that word there. You can add comments, as I said, you can add comments and you can add definitions from your part. तो students वहां पे उस vocabulary को पढ़ के और they can enrich their vocabulary. वो अपने उन definition उस typical word की definition वहां पर समझ पाएंगे. You can add sticky notes wherein you can have additional informations for the students as well. Next is, it helps in building the fluency, because you will give them the online lessons wherein they can read that lesson. You can add audio clip for a better understanding and helps in building their fluency. So you can even convert a small text into an enriching text, which is very beneficial for the students. Most importantly, teachers can use the insert learning for adding questions to the students, and students definitely they can respond there itself. They can have a better understanding if suppose they responded wrongly, so you can correct them. You can correct your students in asynchronous mode, and it will be beneficial for the students. And you can also hold discussions, and you can be the part, as I said, you can be the part and you can respond in real time, and it will be wonderful for both students and as well as for teachers to have a better discussion this way. Let us go for the hands-on session on insert learning. And for the hands-on session, we just need to have, this is the link which I've already given it to you, the insertlearning.com. The next is you need to add this Google Chrome extension. You have to log in with Google account. You have to log in as teacher, and you have to be ready with the online content which you wanted to share it with the students. It can be a web page, it can be a online article, it can be a news, or it can be anything which you just wanted to share it with the students. Next, you need to add the name of your class. Then you just have to do with all these steps, and then just get ready to show your creativity of converting a simple web page into an interactive lesson. So all the best, all the teachers, to do to show all your creativity. So let's quickly review everything. You have all these tools available. First is the highlight tool, then second is the sticky note, then third is asking a question, and fourth is the discussion forum. Highlight option is you can have you can highlight vocabulary, you can highlight the key information, you can highlight the strong words which are there. Then you can add sticky notes for providing instructions to the students. Maybe you can add sticky notes for complete this lecture within 20 minutes. This could be one of those instructions. You can ask students to reflect upon. You can encourage students to make connections with text or books, or maybe the other links for further readings which you have already given it to them. You can give them some additional links online. You can give them YouTube links in the form of sticky notes, and students can watch them. Then next is you can ask questions that helps the students to to have a better understanding of the topic. It encourages critical thinking among the students. They can give a better response to your lesson which you have taught them. With the help of questions, if they answer them well, it will be a kind of feedback for you, whether they have understood it well or not. Then next is discussion forum. The students can take part in the discussion forums. It encourages the students to learn, peer learning is possible with the help of this discussion forum. Lively debates can also be possible. They can have brainstorming sessions. They can, they can ask, it gives a platform to the shy students as well. At times the students are very shy in the online classes. They don't respond well, but with the help of these discussion forums, at least those students will also give their views, and they drive the students to think more deeply about the topic and gives the meaningful connections, and so that's how all these tools will help you to create a better lectures. Why to use insert learning? These are the points why you should use insert learning. We have already discussed these many points, and so this is basically for your understanding again. And I have already discussed this particular thing, that the insert learning is a wonderful tool. It's a kind of magical wand in the hands of teachers to add more spice to your content. You can add more flavors, more spice to your content with the help of this insert learning. So thank you so much. Stay safe, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next session of pure hands-on session on insert learning. Thank you so much.